Buddha is considered as the ninth avatar when we look at the incarnations from the perspective of Lord Krishna and not Lord Vishnu. When ancient texts speak about 10 incarnations of Vishnu, the ninth avatar is Krishna, whereas when the texts talk about 10 incarnations keeping Krishna in mind, the ninth avatar is considered to be Gautam Buddha. Buddha can be easily described as the pioneer of promoting peace and calmness in the world. He is the true leader of popularizing nonviolence amongst human beings. He is the compassionate teacher who preached the world regarding the path of ahimsa, the nonviolence, and helped each being to attain a powerful life, a peaceful life, and afterlife. The story of Buddha is as spiritual as it can get. Gautam Buddha is often known as the awakened one. Let us understand a little what led him to become who he was. King Siddhartha was married and had a kid. One day, when he was roaming in his kingdom, he encountered a sick man, an old man, a corpse, and someone with a disability. This scenario disturbed him deeply. He learned and realized that sickness, pain, and death are parts of life that no one can take away from you. As Buddha was born in a royal family in Lumbini, the present day Nepal, he was oblivious of these concepts such as sickness and pain. When he saw it with his own eyes, it helped him to widen his vision and look at the problems faced by many people. He decided that he wanted to give up his royalty, status, wealth, and power. He had encountered a monk which gave him the indication of giving up his royal and luxurious life and become a holy man. He tried to find all kinds of answers to take away the suffering and pain from life. But the more research he did, the more he realized that it was indeed inevitable. One fine day, when he was sitting under a Bodhi tree, meditating peacefully, he had the vision and enlightenment that changed his and many people's lives. He dwelt carefully on his life experiences and discovered the truth. This is his journey of becoming a Buddha. Buddha set up on his journey soon after his enlightenment to teach the world of his learnings and principles. The people who follow his teachings are said to follow Buddhism religion or Buddhism way of life. Buddha has given the world Panchashila, 5 precepts, 4 noble truths, and an 8-fold path towards nirvana. The 5 precepts focus on teachings like no killing, no stealing, no sexual misconduct, no lying, and no intoxications. The 4 noble truths take a person towards understanding the suffering and how to rid oneself from it. What is suffering? Cause of suffering, end of suffering, path of ending the suffering. It also takes us to the most important lesson, which is the 8-fold path towards nirvana. It talks about having the right view, right thought, right speech, right conduct, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. It is not just that Gautam Buddha is considered to be the greatest teacher and spiritual leader in the world. His teachings are sensible and help one choose a righteous path in their life.